Hola, me llamo Jaylee.
Hola, me llamo Cassandra.
Today we'll be making almojabanas, which are small cheese breads from the Latin American country Colombia. Almojabanas are usually fried, but today we are creating a baked version. Traditionally they are eaten for breakfast with hot chocolate and a side of cheese.
Ingredients we need: 226.8 grams of queso fresco, which is a popular Spanish fresh cheese. A fun fact about queso fresco is that it does not melt when heated, it only softens. Acidity level determines whether a cheese will melt. The queso fresco does not melt because it is a very low acidic cheese. We will need 100.8 grams of white corn flour, 10 grams of cornstarch, 1 egg, 14.34 grams of butter, 3.7 grams of double-acting baking powder, and 0.09 liters of milk.
Come over here to the oven and turn the heat on to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but in scientific metric units it is 204 degrees Celsius.
Place the queso fresco and butter in a food processor and blend until well crumbled.
Add the corn flour, egg, baking powder, and cornstarch inside the food processor. While it's blending, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of milk at a time. 6 tablespoons. Let it run until the dough begins to gather in a ball.
We're going to remove the dough from the food processor, divide it into 10 pieces, and roll each piece into a ball. Then after we do that, we'll place it onto a greased baking sheet.
When the aluminum sheets go into the oven, thermal conductivity occurs, which bakes the bread. It is important that the oven is hot since the protein in the egg whites forces out moisture, and the baking powder releases carbon dioxide gases that lighten the texture of the bread.
Inside the oven for 20 minutes until they are slightly golden brown. Vámonos! During this process, a chemical reaction occurs between the amino acids. This reaction is called the Maillard reaction. It is responsible for the golden brown color and the desirable taste of the bread.
Here are the final results of our almojabanas.
Pretty good for our first time.
Enjoy!
Adios!
Hasta luego!
Today we will be making almojabanas. Shoot!
Here are the ingredients we need: 226.8 grams of queso fresco, which is a popular Spanish
Dang, this doesn't go to 400.
the butter in a food processor.
Responsible for the golden brown flavor. Close. Too late now.